Hello guys, so today is Tuesday. It's whatever left of Tuesday, right on at 7 o'clock. It's October 21st. And so this morning, we had a bit of a crazy scramble. I've never started a video this late before, guys. Look at this. Is this what you call, Matthew?
What?
Is this what you call dusk?
Not really.
Look at the city lights out there. Like this morning was a really hectic time because Matthew set the alarm weird and then he forgot that I had an opening shift today. And so I didn't realize that he set the alarm wrong. And so I just kept on waiting. And then so that made me barely snap to it, and I was late for work for a bit today. So Matthew, can you get the bag of tater tots please from the freezer? And so yep, today, so tonight, I'm gonna be making the pork tenderloin and the tater tot casserole, and Matthew would be barbecuing the pork tenderloin for sure. And so, yep, really nothing much too exciting today. And I bought this thing of cough syrup for Benylin mucus and phlegm stuff. Like, oh my gosh, like, when I was going over the phone to see which cough syrup Matthew needed, it's like a flippin' consultation. It takes like over 10-15 minutes to go through all the types of just this one brand of this Benylin stuff. And it's like, cause the first thing I saw them was blowing out this certain brand of other cough syrup, and then apparently it turned out it wasn't the right one. So good thing I just didn't grab it because it was the cheapest one. And so apparently this is the one that Matthew needed. Fast relief of mucus and phlegm, chest congestion, cough control. So many types of cough medicine out there these days. And somebody in one of my other videos asked about to show fried rice. If you look under my cooking videos, I've made a few fried rice videos already. So you can look up my fried rice videos on my cooking videos playlist, okay? So right now I'm just gonna be getting ready to make dinner. And it was so stressful this morning that, cause I just basically washed my face and just like go out the door, and I didn't even make any tea or no coffee. So after work I went across to McDonald's and got myself some coffee. I know I've got the Tassimo, but I just made myself some coffee and I had a second refill, so I'm like feeling a little bit caffeine high right now. So yeah, I'll be making dinner now, guys. There's the, I don't know, I think you guys can see that.
Well, not when you're in the light either.
Away from the light. That's those nice.
It's supposed to be go towards the
nice
light.
That looks like, oh my gosh, that looks like you got into the light. Those are the nice pork chops there.
That aren't pork chops.
Hush it. The pork tenderloins that I bought. And so this one's getting the casserole ready. So this is like basically the sauce for it. And so this tater tot casserole recipe, I got it from Betty, from Betty's Kitchen, and it's one of her older recipes. So yep, I'll be making dinner now, and I'll be seeing you guys later. So the tater tot casserole is ready to be put in the oven, and so maybe I'll check it in the 30 to 45-minute mark to see how bubbly and nice this is. And okay, I'll see you guys later. These lovely pork tenderloins are done. Thank you, Matthew. Matthew's face. Oh, it's zoomed in. That's why. Oh, no, it's not zoomed in. Okay. Hi guys, the time is now 7:51, so this is the tater tot casserole done. It's nice and creamy looking. And so I'm sorry for today's boring vlog, guys, but yeah, almost forgot to vlog anyways, so yep. And so here's tonight's dinner: the beautiful pork tenderloin and the tater tot casserole. Simple dinner tonight. So yep, I hope you guys enjoyed today's vlog, and I'll see you in tomorrow's video. Thanks for watching.